Yes. Now, where to use is, am or are. If the subject is singular, then we will use is. If the subject is I, then we will use I am. And if the subject is plural or you, then we will use are. Now, in the interrogative sentence, we will use is, am or are before the subject. As I am teaching, the interrogative sentence will be am I teaching. You are going, the interrogative will be are you going. Same way, if the sentence is negative, then we use is, am or are plus not. Just after not, just after helping verb, we use not and then we will use the main verb. Now, words often used in this tense are now, these days and nowadays. Yes, next is present perfect tense. As it is clear by the name, perfect means work is completed. So, this tense is used where the work is completed. So, let's see its uses. First is to express an action that is just completed. यानी जो काम अभी अभी पूरा हुआ है उसको बताने के लिए हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल इज द क्लॉक हैज़ जस्ट स्ट्रक 9. घड़ी ने अभी अभी 9 बजाई हैं. Second use is to express an action that has been completed but its time is neither indicated nor definite. It means the work is completed, we know, but we don't know when it was completed. Its time of completion of the work is not mentioned. She has lighted the lamp. Next is to express an action that is referred to as an experience gained from events which happened in the past but connected with what is being spoken at present. It means the work was done in the past but its effect is now and we are talking about it in the present. Example is I have been to Kashmir twice. Next is to express an action that has been completed in the past but it has its effect in present time. It means the work was completed in the past but its effect is seen now. Seema has eaten all the biscuits. This was the work done in past, so nothing is left now. So the effect is this. So to use such action to tell or express such action that was done in the past but its result is being shown now. Now how to use? Its formation is subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Again, where to use has and where to use have. If the subject is I, we, you, they or plural, again the same one, we use have. If the subject is I, we, you, they or plural, then we use have, otherwise we use has. You can see in the examples, I have been to Kashmir. If it was I, then use have is used, and if it was Seema has eaten, if it was Seema, it means other than I, we, you, they or plural, then has is used. In the negative sentence, we use not after has or have, just before the main verb. Then if the sentence is interrogative, has or have is put before the subject. Let's see once again the examples. The first example was the clock has just struck 9. If it was negative, then the clock has not just struck 9. And if it was to be made interrogative, then has the clock just struck 9? Clear? Now, words often used in this tense are just, already, ever, never and yet. Next tense is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous. This tense is used to tell the expression, to tell the action that was started in the past and a part of which has been completed by now and still it is going on. So the uses are to link the past with the present. यानी क्योंकि काम पास्ट में शुरू हुआ और प्रेजेंट तक चल रहा है, इसका मतलब दिस टेंस इज यूज्ड टू लिंक द पास्ट विद द प्रेजेंट. ही हैज़ बीन स्लीपिंग फॉर 5 hours. नेक्स्ट इज टू पुट मोर एम्फेसिस और कॉन्टीन्यूटी, यानी कोई काम लगातार हो रहा है, इस पर ज़्यादा जोर देने के लिए, ज़्यादा एम्फेसिस पुट करने के लिए. आई हैव लिव्ड हेयर फॉर 3 years. स्टिल लिविंग, यानी मैं 3 साल से यहाँ रह रही हूँ और अभी भी रह रही हूँ. I have been living here for 3 years. The meaning is same, but the second sentence puts more emphasis on continuity. If we say I have lived here, the meaning is same, but if we say I have been living here, it means more emphasis is put. Next is to express repeated action. जो काम बार बार हो रहा है. I have been asking him to help me. Note, if the number of times asked is not given, this tense will be used. If given, present perfect will be used. कि कोई काम कितनी बार हुआ, अगर वो नंबर ऑफ वर्क्स, नंबर ऑफ रेपिटिशंस है तो हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ करेंगे. अगर नंबर ऑफ रेपिटिशंस नहीं है तो हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ करेंगे. लुक, for drawing conclusion based on some evidence. His clothes were wet because he has been washing his clothes for over an hour. It means, यानी कि उसके कपड़े गीले हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वो 1 घंटे से कपड़े धो रही थी. इट मीन्स काम पहले हुआ, उसका एम्फेसिस, उसका रिजल्ट जो है अभी भी है. फॉर इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बिगिनिंग विद फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग और सिंस व्हेन, यानी यदि हमें इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना है जो हमें फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग से शुरू करना है या सिंस व्हेन से करना है, तो ये सेंटेंसेस भी हमारे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में बनाए जाएंगे. नाउ